live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, October 31st, 2017. Happy Halloween! The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 34 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 42 and a low of 31, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Allison, Aiden, Mia, Adam.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
There are no clubs meeting today. Clubs meeting at 7:45 tomorrow morning are Chess Club in the library, PBIS ambassadors in the music room, and student council in room 112. Today's announcements are: today is special lunch from Bona Beef. There will be no 5th grade after-school band practice. Smentals and Smens will be for sale tomorrow during your lunchtime. Smentals are $1 and Smens are $2. Today's costume parade will start about 1:15, and parades will start about 1:30. Parties will start about 1:30. Now a message from Mr. Smelter and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Aaron. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Tuesday. More importantly, happy Halloween. How are you?
Good, how are you?
This is Mrs. Ankrum, by the way, or is it
You can call me Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? All right.
And what are you?
I'm Mr. Schmelzer. How are you doing today?
With a tie, Halloween tie.
Today is National Knock Knock Joke Day.
Great.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Canoe.
Canoe who?
Can you help me with my homework?
Probably.
Probably not.
Hey.
Don't forget to buy your Smentals and Smens tomorrow. I'm not sure what the going price is, but I'm sure it's fair market value.
I would think.
Let's see. Any announcements?
No,
Nothing at all?
nothing. Just
What's-
great to see everyone today.
Yeah, I can't wait to see all the costumes,
I
right?
know.
Are you going to lead the parade this time?
Yes.
What else do you say?
Right.
I don't have anything else. Do we have any questions for Mrs. Ankrum?
We will.
All right, so I can just go ahead. All right.
Say your thing.
Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Now it's time to ask an administrator. These questions
It wasn't to ask an administrator, it was ask Mrs. Ankrum.
These questions were asked by students at Hoover School. First question: if somebody is 8 years old but never went to school, would they start in kindergarten or 2nd grade?
Eight years old.
Never went to school.
Never went to school. Well, we wouldn't start them in kindergarten, I can tell you that. However, I think we'd have to evaluate kind of where they're at in their learning to decide where the best placement would be, whether it would be 1st grade or 2nd grade. Fortunately, that doesn't happen very often. But I can tell you that I would not put them in kindergarten.
Right. Agreed.
Yeah? All right. Next question. By the way, while we're waiting for the next question, Mr. Sustich, I have a special request from you from some of your students. Could you please turn up the heat in your classroom? Did you hear the collective yes from the studio? Next question.
What are your first names?
Those are first names. I mean, they're on our.
Well, I'm Minnie.
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Minnie.
John. This is Megan.
Minnie.
Okay.
She likes to be called Megan.
That's a lie.
It's Megan.
And do you go by Jean?
When I'm in France, I go by Jean. When I'm in Spain, I go by Juan.
And the last question, what are you going to be for Halloween?
Now, I know there were much better questions in that bin.
No, I like that one.
This is Halloween.
Yeah,
so
it's
ask that one.
I'm going
Halloween.
to start going through those
Wait
questions.
That's a
till-
great
wait till you-
question.
We've got some good ones coming up.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Should I tell or should it be a surprise?
Well, it's not, you told me it's not much of a surprise.
It is. It's great. I'm going to be the polar bear classic, the polar bear on the Coca-Cola can.
See, I had to ask the question, what's a polar bear classic? Like a versus a polar bear?
Everybody knows. No,
Okay.
it's the one that you guys know. He didn't know.
It's a white polar bear, right?
Right.
All right.
But the one on the Coca-Cola can.
So you're going to peel it off the Coca-Cola can and like you'll be,
No.
all right. So it's not the one on the Coca-Cola.
So what are you going to be?
I am going to be a school principal.
That's boring.
I know, right? Is your costume here? Oh,
Yes.
that's right. You have to leave to go get it. Oops. All right, that's enough.
Anyways.
Back to you, Aaron.
Thank you, Mr. Smelter and Mrs. Ingram.
You're welcome.
Today's tip is focus on your goal. Don't look in any direction but ahead. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 3rd graders in room 113. Have a Trick or Treat Tuesday. Woo!
Rocking all, we're digging the sound.